The Black Hornet drone, specifically the Black Hornet Nano series developed by Teledyne FLIR, represents a significant advancement in military reconnaissance technology, renowned for its compact size and advanced capabilities. The Black Hornet is designed to provide soldiers with real-time, situational awareness while minimizing their exposure to danger. The drone measures approximately 16 centimeters in length and weighs only 18 grams, making it one of the smallest military drones available. Equipped with high-resolution cameras, the Black Hornet can transmit live video and still images back to the operator, enhancing battlefield awareness. The drone features multiple camera configurations including electro, optical, and thermal imaging capabilities, which are crucial for identifying threats in various lighting conditions. With a flight range of up to 2 kilometers and a maximum speed of 21 kilometers per hour, it can operate effectively in complex environments, providing critical information that informs tactical decisions on the ground. The operational versatility of the Black Hornet is further enhanced by its ability to navigate without GPS. This capability is particularly useful in urban or heavily forested areas, where GPS signals may be unreliable or unavailable. The drone can autonomously follow predefined routes or be manually controlled by the operator, allowing for flexible mission planning. Additionally, it can return automatically to its launch point if communication is lost, ensuring that it can be retrieved safely after missions. In terms of endurance, the Black Hornet boasts a flight time of approximately 25 minutes per charge, which is sufficient for many reconnaissance tasks. The system typically includes 2 drones, allowing one to recharge while the other is in operation. This dual drone setup ensures continuous surveillance capability. During missions, the compact ground control station is designed for ease of use, enabling operators to focus on their objectives rather than managing complex equipment. The price of the Black Hornet drone, specifically the Black Hornet 3 model, is approximately $195,000 per unit. This pricing reflects the advanced technology and capabilities integrated into the drone, which is designed for military, reconnaissance, and surveillance operations. The Black Hornet is known for its compact size, lightweight design, and high-resolution imaging capabilities, making it a valuable asset for tactical operations. The Black Hornet has gained significant traction among military forces worldwide, with over 20,000 units delivered to various countries. Since its introduction, notable users include the US, UK, Australia, and Ukraine, which has recently received a substantial number of these drones as part of military aid packages.